Hello you guys and welcome back for another video. So today I'm bringing you this look that I'm wearing right now. So I do encourage you guys who haven't subscribed to my channel to go ahead and hit that bell down below and turn on notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. So if you would like to know how I achieve this makeup look, make sure you guys stay tuned. And also don't forget to give this video a big like if you do enjoy it. So let's go ahead and continue on with this video. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off by using the Morphe palette by James Charles, and I just wanted it to show you guys another look using this palette so that way you guys know how many looks you can create with this. And you guys know I have been really obsessed with this palette lately. I have been using it a lot on my tutorials now, so I hope you guys find this video interesting and helpful as well. Okay you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by applying some of this eyeshadow primer, and this is from Wet n Wild. Remember, you guys can wear any type of base or primer however you want. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit on my right side. Since you guys already noticed, I've done my left side first because, you know, you got to know what you're doing. So here I have some of these eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this pink color right here. Grab some of these white so I can apply this in the upper brow bone and mix it with the pink as well. Cut the crease, and you can use any corrector or concealer, whatever you guys have in hand. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline concealer, and here I have the brush, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So going back with the palette, I'm going to show you guys the colors that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be grabbing the white, the yellow, the orange, and the purple. Maybelline Master Precise liquid liner in black. Now I'm going to use this eye pencil, and this is in the color white. So I'm going to apply this on my waterline. And you can use any color that you want, as long as it's transparent or white. Now we're going to head into the mascara and tap this to the So I will be using the Maybelline foundation, which is this one right here, and this is in Buff Beige 130. So I'm going to be using this Afterglow highlighter. Okay, so I'm just keeping it simple for you guys. So I'm going to be using now the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in number 10 in Dreamer. And you can apply any lipstick color that you want. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And once again, if you did like it, make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe if you haven't, because I would love to have you here. So I'll see you guys really soon for our next video. Bye, guys.